Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to enable dark mode in Windows 11. Go to your start button and right click. Go to settings, click on it. Click on personalization. Now go to colors and click on it. So over here you can choose the mode that you want your computer to display. Currently you'll see here it's showing light. I can click the more arrow. There are options there that I can choose. So I can choose here dark mode. So you can now see that Windows is now in dark mode. Now we'll go back there and set it back to light mode. If you come over here, click the more arrow, you'll see this other option, custom. So I'll click on that. From here, choose your default Windows mode. You can click there and choose dark. So if I choose that, it means that the Windows mode is dark. You can see it over here. All right, so if I click that, you'll see the Windows mode is dark now. All right, so I'm going to take that off and choose light. Now this other option is choose your default app mode. So if I click the more arrow, I'll choose dark. So it means that the apps will be in dark mode, be it Microsoft Word and so forth. So I'm going to click on any app. So you can see that this app is now in dark mode. Right, so I'm going to go and click on another app so you can see. So I'll choose Snipping Tool. So you can see over here that the app here is in dark mode. All right, so if this video helped you, drop me a comment in the comment box. Let me know if it did help you. Click the like button if you haven't done so. Share the video, subscribe. I will see you in my next video.